You just abandoned a $500 shopping cart without buying a single thing. You have 400 unwatched videos rotting in a watch later playlist. You spent 3 hours researching the perfect workout routine and did 0 push-ups. These are not 3 separate bad habits. What you have is one biological glitch. You are addicted to the fake progress of the setup. The good news is that because this is a mechanical failure in your biology, it can be reverse engineered. Once you understand exactly how your brain is being tricked, you can hijack this exact same chemical loop to force yourself to execute. Here's why you do this. You think dopamine is the reward chemical. It is not. It is the anticipation chemical. In human biology, the dopamine spike happens during the stalking of the prey, not the eating of it. When you build that cart, or obsessively map out a daily schedule, your brain releases the exact same chemical high, as if you actually did the work. By the time you finish planning, you are completely biologically satisfied. You got the high, so your brain aborts the physical effort. To solve this, you have to starve the setup and reattach the dopamine to the physical execution. Stop confusing the hunt with the kill. From now on, you cannot get the reward of anticipation without introducing friction. If you put a book in your cart, you must read 1 page of a free sample. If you research a new desk setup, you must do 10 minutes of deep work before you are allowed to buy it. Force your brain to earn the high through action, not imagination.